Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Dear devotees, there was a wonderful katha I heard in Braj from one of the sadhus there. One time, Mother Yashoda invited Srimati Radharani to Nandagaon when Radharani was very little. So Radharani accepted the invitation, and along with her Sakhis, she went to spend the night in Nandagaon. And in the morning, she was walking around the courtyard, and she saw that early in the morning, Nanda Baba and Lord Krishna, they were both sitting and they were distributing alms. They were giving so many gifts in charity to so many beggars and so many poor people who had lined up. But then she noticed that among some of them, they did not have any containers. They didn't have any patra. And those with no containers, they were asked to go back and bring containers so that the Lord could put some alms, some gifts, some kripa into their patrata. And this Radharani did not like. So when she came back to Barsana, she actually complained to her father. She said, Baba, there was one thing I did not like about my visit. And then she explained the entire incident. And she insisted that Brijbhanu Baba should go back and explain to Lord Krishna and Nanda Baba not to do this. They must give charity, they must give their kripa to everyone who has come to their doorstep, irrespective of the fact whether they have a patra or they do not have a patra, whether they have a container or do not have a container. So Brijbhan Baba, he was trying to explain to small Radharani that look, if you have no patra, if you have no container to hold the kripa, how they are going to give kripa? But she was crying and insisting. So in order to please her, he simply went and he reported the entire incident to Nanda Baba and to Lord Krishna. And when Lord Krishna heard this, that charity is to be given, kripa is to be given, even to the unqualified, even who does not bring a container, then Krishna, he closed his eyes and he meditated on the state of the tender-heartedness of Radharani, the compassion that Radharani has for the wretched people of this world, how she wants to distribute kripa to everyone, whether we have the qualification and do not have the qualification. And at that moment, Krishna, he closed his eyes and he made a sankalpa that I will definitely want to take an avatar in this world with the mood of Srimati Radharani, with the heart and compassion of Srimati Radharani, and distribute my mercy to every person of this material world, irrespective of the fact whether they have the qualification or not the qualification to receive my mercy. And that was the avatar of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu here in Kali Yuga. And our acharyas have taken that kripa of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, have taken the kripa and the mood of Srimati Radharani in the heart of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and they have distributed it all over the world, especially our Srila Prabhupada. He was sent as the emissary of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to the Western world, where he preached Krishna consciousness in the mood of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then he brought his disciples back to India in order to show them the devotion that is available in India and bring them to Sridham Mayapur, the birthplace, the most important place in Kali Yuga, the birthplace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And there in 1977, Srila Prabhupada was addressing the Disappearance Day festival of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Maharaj, and he was glorifying his Guru Maharaj. And while doing this, he paused for a minute, and then he said, every Gaudiya Vaishnava Acharya has done something very special here in Sridham Mayapur as his personal offering to the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He addressed and he cited examples. He said Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he went door to door in Calcutta and collected funds in order to build Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's birthplace. My Guru Maharaj, he built 67 temples all over India, but the largest mutt, the largest center was built here in Mayapur. And that was his personal offering to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then Srila Prabhupada, he folded his hands with tears in his eyes. And he told his disciples, he said, I want to thank you very much, you boys and girls, for helping me to build this beautiful temple, the Sri Mayapur Chandradoy Mandir, this TOVP temple that I want to make as my personal offering to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So dear devotees, please, this is a great opportunity in our lifetime. We have, in the maturity of our life, the opportunity to complete this temple and offer it to Srila Prabhupada, so that Srila Prabhupada in turn can offer it to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This would be the most wonderful gift all of us devotees of ISKCON can get together and give to Srila Prabhupada. So my request to all of you is that please seriously make a vow, make some kind of a commitment that all of us will get together and make monetary help so that this temple can be built. As you know, it is a $90 million project, and our Ambarish Prabhu, he has already given $30 million in order to get the project started. The superstructure of the project is almost completed. Now the inside work is to be done. If all of us come forward and help financially, then this temple can be built in matter of few years of time. And this will be the greatest achievement, that all of us put our energies together and give it to Srila Prabhupada, give it to this world, so that our generations to come can spiritually benefit from it. This is a temple that will emanate spiritual vibration, spiritual potency all over the world. Nityananda Prabhu had predicted to Jiva Goswami, he had said, Iha ek adbhut mandira, hoibe prakash, Gorango nitya seva, hoibe vikash. This was his prediction, that right from here, right from this place, in Adbhut Mandir, an astounding temple will manifest, from where Gauranga Mahaprabhu's wonderful Nitya Seva will go all over the world and influence every living entity of this world. So this is our great opportunity. Let us become enthusiastic, let us become very serious, and let us become very committed to completing this temple. This is my request to you today. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.